So marigolds are my favorite flower. I love them. They rebloom and rebloom and rebloom and rebloom and get bigger and bigger and bigger as long as you are rough with them. Be rough with them. Kind of, not really. Now this is a volunteer. So volunteers grow throughout my landscape because I let them. I love it. Down here I have propagated some of these myself here. I loosened up the soil within the area about June and just kind of broad spread marigolds to this area. And I know marigolds are going to come back here every single year now because I spread them in there how I did, and they will self-seed. So if you let them, in this case I purposefully seeded them and got them started so they would do this along my entire roadside eventually. Currently, just to kind of show you some of the maintenance on this and how to do it, you're just gonna get the old dead head that's in here, and we're gonna do some deadheading. We're literally just gonna kind of pinch it in your fingers, a little tough but not too much. If it doesn't come, don't force it, and just re-grab it a little bit different, but most generally they'll come right off. Now if you don't want these spread everywhere, please understand that when you are pinching these off, they literally have all of these seeds in there. These are all seeds, every single one of them. So, and there's hundreds and thousands on a plant if you don't be careful. So if you just pinch them and just kind of pop them, pinch them, pop them, but the ones that are dead, the ones that are spent, just go ahead and pop them out of there, and it will continue to reproduce, and all of these will bloom. All of this will be just amazing. It'll just continue to rebloom and get bigger and bigger, and it's just amazing. So if you take a little bit of time and just pop those off of there. And I live in Northwest Ohio. I live by one of the only remaining canals, lock, that is still standing in Northwest Ohio, and it is swampy area, and some stuff it likes, some stuff it don't. Obviously, kind of pretty much right plant, right place. So